Hi, this is Dr. Manjunath, fertility expert and laparoscopic surgeon. Today I am going to tell you about the surrogacy treatment in infertility. The surrogacy treatment is a bit controversial in India, but as of today, what are the legal impacts or what are the legal issues and how surrogacy is done, this is what I am going to discuss in this video. So as you know that surrogacy is renting a womb of the other woman, means the different woman, and for 9 months, and she will carry the embryo of the commissioned couple and carry it for full 9 months, and after the delivery she will hand over the baby to the commissioned or intended couple. So this is what the surrogacy means. Basically, surrogacy is of two types. One is traditional surrogacy and the gestational surrogacy. Traditional surrogacy is not at all practiced anywhere in India. What was practiced is a gestational surrogacy. Traditional surrogacy means the surrogate mother is also an egg donor. Means to say that she will have her egg in the process. But that's not allowed in India. Only which was allowed and which will probably continue to be allowed is gestational surrogacy. Means to say she will rent only the womb or the uterus. She will not donate, or her egg will not be a part of the treatment. So the commissioned or intended couple should have their own embryo, at least one of the egg or the sperm, it should be from the commissioned couple. So either the egg or the sperm should come from the intended or the commissioned couple. So once the embryos are formed through an IVF procedure, the good qualities embryo are transferred to the surrogate mother's womb, and she will continue to carry that for a full 9 months and then deliver the baby and hand over to intended or a commissioned couples. So this is what the surrogate treatment is. This is what the surrogate mother will do. Whether it's legal in India, as of today it's legal because in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha bill is not passed in both the houses, and the bill has gone to a standing committee which has given the instruction to continue the commercial surrogate only if it is required. Means only in case of really required cases only it should be allowed, with that too with lot of regulations and with proper documentation and proper contract agreement. Means to say there will be a proper contract agreement between the intended couple and the surrogate mother, stating clearly what all the things has to be done, what are the finance involved, what are the compensation the surrogate mother is going to have, and what are the insurances in case of any complications arises, what are the insurances they will have. So all those things will be properly documented, and that agreement is between intended couple and the surrogate mother. So once this contract agreement is done, so that is legally bound by both the partner and also by the clinic, the surrogate, the clinic which is doing this surrogate treatment. So these are all the things you need to know before you embark or before you undergo this surrogate treatment. But generally you need to know that how the surrogate mother is selected. Means surrogate mother is generally selected from the surrogate agencies, and we screen them for all the various infections, rule out all the HIV, HBsAg, VDR, all the infection, and we select the healthy surrogate mother by doing all the blood tests and other scan reports, everything. And that surrogate mother will be in a healthy condition, and she will have her own kids, 1 or 2 kids, and including the surrogate child, she is allowed only to have 3 kids. Means to say, so the lady who is already having 3 or 4 kids are not supposed to become a surrogate mother, and generally the surrogate mother age will be between 21 to 33 years. So we are not supposed to take an older mother, and we are not supposed to take any lady who is having already some kind of ill health or some kind of health conditions, hazard health condition should not be there. So such lady is selected, and then we run a couple of tests to see whether she is fit to carry the pregnancy, and then we will enter into contract agreement. So this is how the surrogate mother is done in India. So as of now, we are doing commercial surrogate, but with lot of precautions and lot of documentation and proper legal guidance.